Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of Printful, the dropshipping platform that has revolutionized e-commerce with its on-demand printing and seamless integrations. With Printful, you can create and sell custom products without worrying about inventory or upfront costs. Printful offers an extensive catalog of items, from apparel to home goods, which you can easily personalize using their built-in design tools. The platform integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, streamlining the process from product creation to order fulfillment. Once you've connected your store to Printful, any order placed by your customer is automatically sent to Printful for processing and shipped directly to the buyer. Printful handles everything from production to delivery, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The platform also provides tools to help with branding, including custom packaging options and branding inserts to elevate your professional image. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Printful is highly transparent about pricing, with no monthly subscription fees. Only pay for the products you sell. While the profit margins can depend on your pricing strategy, Printful's premium quality ensures satisfied customers and fewer returns. However, it's worth noting that shipping times can vary depending on the location, so clear communication with customers is key. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video to stay updated on the best tools for your online business.